Hey YouTubers, this is my ads. You guys are gonna watch them. I don't know what species it is, but I'm pretty sure there are multiple queens because I found around 5 queens. And put them into my new formicarium. And yeah, you guys can watch and bringing their eggs down. As you can tell, they're not very active except for bringing their eggs. These ants are really hard to keep inside a formicarium. They will literally sneak themselves through the holes. As you can tell, look, there's some of them right there, there. See? Yeah, this is not brick, by the way. This is not the color of brick. This is all ants. There's thousands of ants. If you guys know this kind of species, tell me. And if you guys know when they'll have mates, like ready to fly, you guys can message me that. I'd advise you to. Yeah, see us out, see us there. Some message on the window.